All right, just reviewing the vacuum here. Overall, this is a really great unit. You know, it's a lot cheaper and more affordable than the others. You have the battery right here. Super easy to charge. All you have to do is simply open this. Just opens just like that. I'm holding the camera here. You plug in this charger and it will just charge. And then when you're ready to actually use it, what you end up doing is just slotting the battery in, just like this. Okay, now it's ready to go. Okay. You got different options. It does come with a mount as well. You also get some different attachments here. So this is adjustable as well. This attachment is kind of the rollers, so maybe for a carpet, as you can see over there. Or you also have this right here. So, you know, again, maybe for kind of like just cleaning up different stuff. If you press this down, this goes back, so you just have the same sort of thing there. And then you also get more of like a tight attachment for maybe, again, cleaning maybe up against kind of your baseboards, whatever you need. Really, overall, a great vacuum, especially considering the price. I mean, something comparable would probably be like a Dyson, and those are a lot more money. So overall, very satisfied with the vacuum, and yeah, it's pretty good.
Lightweight cordless vacuum. It's doing a good job. I just push the button once so that I can do the hard floors. Easily fits underneath the counters. Both sides. There's debris picks up. Powdery dirt picks up. Now here's some Cheerios. Picks those up too. Now here's carpet. I'm going to put it on a stronger. There we go.